Hey guys, I just want to start by saying that I don't want to get banned, so this is definitely not a bot, it's just a proof of concept, and yeah, it's not an instructional video at all. I want to start with detecting flax because it should be quite easy, it's just blue flowers, so let's begin. So we're starting with an empty detector, and we're just going to show out to the screen our screenshot, and if we run that, lovely. Next step then is to convert the image to the HSV format, as it's a lot easier to select pixels, and we're just going to use the OpenCV range function to select the pixels that we want. So you can see this function takes a minimum and a maximum. There's the minimum and maximum there. And to pick those values, I've got a little program for it. And these are just sliders. So if we start with the vibrance and we just start dragging until the flax disappears, which is about there, and do the same with the maximum vibrance, it's about there, and then the same with the hue, just drag it until it disappears, there, and maximum hue, there, and just finally with the saturation. Cool. So we're just going to take those values and plug them into our function. And the maximum, and we're just going to show this out to the screen to see what it looks like. If we run it, here's our original, and here is all the flax. So this is a mask, anything black isn't flax, and anything white that is flax. Problem is we're detecting individual flax flowers, whereas we want to detect flax plants. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the OpenCV dilate function, which basically just makes any of the white patches bigger. So here we go, we're going to dilate it. And we're just going to print that out to the screen too. Yeah. And if we run that, here's the original, here's the flax, and the dilated flax. Perfect. Okay, final step is to find the bounding rectangles for all of our flax plants, and to do that we're going to use the find contours function, which takes a vector of points and a hierarchy. Okay, I'm just going to create a list of rectangles for all the flax plants and then spin through all the contours, and then use the bounding rectangle function on each contour and just push it to our rectangles array. And then we're going to show it out by just drawing it to the screen. And then, yeah, show the image too. If we run that, here's the original, here's our flax, dilated flax, and we have purple rectangles around all the flax plants. Looks like our final step will be to find an individual flax plant to click on, and for that we're just going to choose the one that's closest to the center of the screen. So here's the screen center, and here's the closest one. So to actually pick the flax, we're going to write a simple bot, and it's just going to be a while loop. And we're going to use our Flax detector that we just made to get the closest Flax. And then we're just going to left click it and wait 500 milliseconds and then do it all over again. Okay, now it's time to actually run it. So you should see the RuneScape window, there we go. And yeah, it's clicking the nearest Flax. Oh, it's laggy, but there we go. Okay, if you've enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, of course. And yeah, any feedback, just leave it in the comments. And if you want to see more videos, yeah, hit subscribe. Right, thanks a lot, guys.